Hi guys, I did the solar robot the other day and then did the conversion to the Scorpion. I forgot about it, but there's the tank to do yet. It's just rearranging the bits. In the meantime, I have discovered that I did do a kit like this back in 2018, so 5 years ago, and it was actually called something different. It was something like Robot Transformer or something like that. Anyway, there'll be a link in the video description to the series I did back then, and I'll add these videos to it. This one I picked up in a charity shop for 50p, reduced from 99p. I don't know how much it was originally. Anyway, we need to go through here and find the bit about converting it to a tank. So, move the box out the way. Okay, we need the main body again. It's mainly a matter of what we do with these bits, which were originally the legs or feet. And these were the arms. And those were the feet when it was a walking robot. So, still got this bit, which is logical because that's where the solar panel is. Still got those bits. Shows those little tags going in there. And that one doesn't want to stay in. It's going to be awkward if it won't stay in. We'll worry about that in a minute. Right, this piece opens up somehow. Yep. Go back like that. That's got to be up like that. That's got to be out like that. Looks like that bit shouldn't be on there at the moment. And that bit. There we go. That's got to go in there like that. So that looks like that. There's a hole there. It's going to go on there like that. Right arm. from there. Comes round, clips on there. So, yeah, that doesn't want to fit in there for some reason. Right. Get the other leg. Off of there. That goes right the way around there. That fell off. Oh, that's coming off there anyway. And that bit. Okay. That goes on there. That piece. On there like that. That goes on there. Like that. And these pieces go on there and on there, like that. And that is our tank. I expect if I just move out of the sunlight, out of the way. Yeah, we almost worked. Why did we stop? Something's jamming. Come on, you're working then. Get the impression the gearbox is not very happy. There we go. Ah, stopped again. Let's go and put it out in the real sunlight. Well, it does work. A bit noisy. I think there's some gears slipping in there. But it works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.